Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to blur a video in Canva to hide sensitive details or create a stylish visual effect. Whether we are editing for privacy or aesthetics, this feature is quick and easy to use. On our Canva dashboard, if we want to blur a video, we just need to click on Elements and type Blur in the search bar. Then we choose a blur effect that we want to use. For example, let's take this one. We can pick a blur style like this. Once we have selected it, we will place it on top of the video and resize it to fit properly. Then we will adjust the transparency so that the blur effect applies to the video. As we can see, the video is now blurred. When we play the video, the blur effect is visible. We can also add more blur to different areas. If we want to blur a specific section, we can add another blur element to the video, just like this. We can blur this area as well. We can copy that blur element and paste it wherever we need the blur effect on the video. When we play the video, all the blurred areas will appear correctly.